Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, we will show you how to import products and listings to LitCommerce. As you've connected all selling channels, our system automatically pulls all products from your e-commerce store. Go to all products and check them out. Now you can list any products on a sales channel as you wish. However, please note that if you already sell on a sales channel, you'll need to import your listings to LitCommerce for effective product listing management. Go to the left side menu bar and click on your sales channels. Look for the button Import from Sales Channels and click it. Choose any option that shows on the screen. You can let LitCommerce auto-link products between sales channels or re-import deleted listings as you want. And that's it. You've just learned how to import products and listings to LitCommerce. Check out our next video for more details if you want to link products and create new listings. Thanks for watching.